Hi, guys. Remember that video we watched a couple days ago about how to create a custom preset? We're going to do that today for our sequence. So you've opened up, you have these four panels on your screen. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to import your materials in. We've saved them all in specific areas. So I'm going to go to File, Import. I'm inside of my first project, and I'm going to click these four video clips. I'm going to click Open, and now they're in my bin. Cool. Okay. Now I can't drag and drop them over because I don't have a sequence yet. So what I have to do is I have to go up to File, New, and then down to Sequence. And we're going to create a custom one that matches with the camera we use in class. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit OK, like she said in the instructions. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag one of these over, the one that I have the most of. And actually, all of these are from the school camera. So I'm going to drag and drop it over. So there's the V1, which means video 1. I'm going to drag it there. And now I got the pop-up. It says change sequence settings or keep existing. Remember, to create this custom one, we're going to click change sequence settings. And there it is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. So I'm going to go here to sequence, and I am going to create preset from sequence. I'm going to click that. Now right here, I got to name it, and I'm going to call it Canon class camera. And then in the description, I'm going to write camera we use in class. So then I don't get confused. I'm going to hit OK. And now it's saved. So for the next project, when I want to add a new sequence and I go File, New, and then I go to Sequence, I can scroll all the way down to Custom, open it up, scroll down a little more. I had to double click, and I have Canon class camera, and then it will default to that, and it will match, and it will be perfect. Okay, so I have it in, and now I can start my editing.